Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're diving into the best Bluetooth 5.4 AUX adapter that can completely change the way you enjoy music and calls. Whether at home, in the car, or on the go, this gadget makes life so much easier. Let's get started. The product we're looking at today is the Ugreen Bluetooth 5.4 AUX adapter. This little device is designed to bring wireless freedom to your audio setup. It works with speakers, headphones, and even car systems that have a standard AUX input, letting you enjoy music or calls without messy wires. One of the standout features is its advanced Bluetooth 5.4 technology. This ensures a strong and smooth connection, so you get uninterrupted music or clear calls every time. No more drops or delays. The adapter also supports dual pairing in RX mode, which means you can connect two devices at once. Imagine switching from your phone to a tablet seamlessly without stopping your tunes. In TX mode, it also supports dual pairing, which is perfect for sharing. You can connect two Bluetooth headphones to the same device. Watching movies together on a plane or at home becomes hassle-free, and nobody has to deal with tangled wires or disturb others. If you travel often, the Ugreen Bluetooth 5.4 AUX adapter makes flights more enjoyable. You can connect your Bluetooth headphones directly to in-flight entertainment systems. For fitness lovers, it's a game changer too. You can exercise, run, or play sports while enjoying your favorite music wirelessly, giving you total freedom of movement. Using it in the car is just as convenient. With hands-free calling, you can talk safely while driving. Its immersive sound performance makes music crisp and lively, so every beat feels full and clear. Battery life is another highlight. The adapter offers up to 18 hours of continuous use on a single charge. That's more than enough for a full day of travel, workouts, or just relaxing at home without worrying about recharging constantly. In terms of build and design, the Ugreen Bluetooth 5.4 AUX adapter is compact and lightweight. Its small size means you can carry it in your bag or pocket, while the sleek design fits easily in any setup without looking bulky. The materials feel solid, giving a premium touch despite its size. In real life, this adapter makes daily audio effortless. From listening to music in the living room, connecting headphones on long flights, to enjoying clear calls in your car, it adapts to multiple scenarios with ease. So, who is this product for? It's ideal for travelers, fitness enthusiasts, car drivers, and anyone who wants to upgrade their audio setup without being tied down by cables. Basically, anyone who loves wireless convenience and great sound will benefit from it. Don't miss out! The Ugreen Bluetooth 5.4 AUX adapter is a small device with a big impact. Check the price link in the description and make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more gadgets that make life easier and more fun. See you in the next video.